How much does alloy wheel refurbishment cost? I'll give you straight numbers, no beating around the bush. I'm James from Hadrian's Vehicle Services. Let's talk about wheel refurbishment pricing. Now here's the numbers. For a standard powder coat refurbishment, you're looking at £65 to £150 per wheel. So for a full set of 4, that's £260 to £400. For diamond cut wheels, where the face is machined in a lathe, prices are slightly higher, typically £100 to £170 per wheel, so £400 to nearly £700 for a full set. Now what affects the price? Wheel size matters. An 18-inch wheel costs more than a 16-inch wheel, more surface area, more time. The damage level matters as well. Light Kerbed is a quick fix. Severe gouges or corrosion obviously takes longer. The finish type also needs to be taken into consideration. Standard colours are the cheapest, custom colours and two-tone finishes, or diamond cut will all cost more. Now, a little bit of a warning about the cheaper options out there. You'll see mobile wheel repair advertised for £30 or £40. Here's what you'll be getting. A quick sand and a spray over that looks okay for a month maybe, then it peels. Proper alloy wheel refurbishment means stripping back the wheel to bare alloy, repairing damage properly, powder coating in an oven, and then applying a proper clear coat to the wheels to make them last. That process can't be done for £40. It's just physically impossible unless they're losing money. If it sounds too cheap to be true, it probably is. At Hadrian's, we collect your wheels, fully strip them, repair any damage, powder coat in your chosen colour, clear coat for protection, and then return them looking factory fresh. Turnaround is typically 3 to 4 days for this service, and prices from £65 per wheel. If your wheels are looking tired, give us a call on 01670 334 140. We'll give you an honest quote based on what you've got. I'm James from Hadrian's. See you next time.